So this is a $26 condenser microphone. Is it even worth it? Let's check it out. Okay, so this is the Soundtech ST-800 Condenser Microphone box. Now, what's weird is that there is no sign or label that indicates this is the Soundtech ST-800 Condenser Microphone. Now, I bought this at an online Indonesian marketplace for around 395,000 rupiah, which equals to around, I don't know, $26 until $28, I think. And by the way, this is a USB plug and play microphone that you will have to connect to your computer or your laptop. A sound chip or a sound card is already embedded in the mic itself. Alright, let's take a look at the inside of this box. Okay, let's open it up. Alright, what do we have inside? So this is the mic itself. Let's take a look. It's quite sturdy and I think it's made of aluminium. Yeah. Okay. Alright, thank God it's Soundtech, it's not any other brand. Alright, and we have the windshield already. Alright, now let's strip this item. Now this is the Pop Filter Professional. It's made of plastic, but it's quite good. I think it's quite strong and sturdy. Alright, let's put it here. Okay, and the next item, this is the Shockproof mount or the anti-shock mount for your Soundtech ST-800 microphone. Okay. And we have the silica gel here. And this is the USB cable for you to plug and play your microphone to your PC or your laptop. And what do we have here? This is the, if I'm not mistaken, yeah, this is the arm stand component, which is the desk clamp, which functions to support the arm stand itself or the mic stand. Okay, and last but not least, this is the arm stand itself. Let's rip it open. Yeah, so there you go. So it's made of metal, I think. Yeah, that's it. So there you go. These are the items that we have inside the Soundtech ST-800 condenser microphone box. Now let's do a sound check comparison between the Soundtech ST-800 with my two current microphones. So this is the sound from my camera, Sony a6000. What do you think? So this is the sound from my Boya lavalier microphone. What do you think? So this is the sound coming from the new Soundtech ST-800. What do you think? Okay, so this is the Soundtech ST-800 condenser mic once it's installed. As you can see that you will have to install this microphone on your table, and you will have to have your laptop or PC ready in front of you, since you will have to plug and play the microphone with this USB cable, which is really short. I think it's only around 1 meter long. right? Okay. Now you've seen the unboxing and you've seen the sound test compared to my Sony A6000 and my Boya Lavalier. So what do you think of the sound? Honestly, I'm not a microphone expert or a sound expert, but as a first-time buyer for a condenser microphone, I think this is a good deal. $26 or 395,000 rupiah. It's a pretty good deal to have a microphone that sounds professional. All right, so I won't go into any further details. So if you have any comments or share your experience using this mic also, I would love to hear it from you, right? So that is it from me. So if you like this video, give me a thumbs up, all right? Give me a like, and if this is your first time watching my video, subscribe please, all right? So I'll see you in my next video in the future, all right? Okay, see you soon.